Assuming that most of you are running your website on a shared hosting server in the cloud, and you have some kind of software contraption, online editor, or a web guy to edit your pages, we will focus on such a scenario. I assume if you're watching this, you already know that your internet provider and your hosting company will limit how many emails you can send out using their account, the email account that they give you. Subscription services such as Aweber and Constant Contact also have severe limits regarding both the provenance of your list and how many emails you can send out. Then you have Salesforce, who will sell you a marketing package with the amazing ability to send 5,000 emails a day, and it's only going to cost you $100,000 a year, paid in advance. So let's take a moment here to give this video a follow and a like, because I'm about to tell you how to save a small fortune by showing you how to Frankenstein or MacGyver your own setup. Now, step number one, go to a website called group-email.com. Download the software, watch the tutorials. When you come out the other end, you should understand SMTP. Now go to a website called server-smtp.com. Open an account, make the DNS changes that they suggest on your own website, and buy some relays. Relays are like tokens, one per message sent. To email 100,000 people, you buy 100,000 relays. Go back to your hosting provider and create a Mark Adams or John Anderson account. If your audience is in the US or Canada, you want to make the sender sound as American as you possibly can. And for fuck's sake, don't have some Indian guy follow up on the phone saying, "Hello, my name is John Anderson, kind sir, with an amazing offer for you today," because you're going to be sabotaging all the hard work that you put in so far. Use that email account and the server SMTP details to create a sender account in the group mail software. The last step is to create and upload via FTP to your web host the code that creates a landing page that greets people with their first name and last name and sends you an instant notification when somebody lands there, when somebody lands on that page, and you receive their contact information from the database. I suggest you use ChatGPT to get this done, to get that code. But if you need a code example, to start from, I'm going to send you what I use. Just send me a message in a private chat and I'll send you the code. The last thing that I want to mention here is no matter how good your 3.7 liter Infinity is, it's still stupid and suicidal to drive 200 miles an hour. So just because you're set up to blast 200,000 emails doesn't mean you should. First, you want to warm up the internet community to the fact that there's a new player in town sending massive emails. So to do this, you start small and you increment. You send 300 emails on day one, keep it like that for 3 days, then 500, then 1,000, then 1,200, stay a week at 2,000, then you grow again. Make it random so you don't look like a robot. And whatever you do, stop around 5,000 a day. If you need another 5,000, duplicate the setup on a second domain. If you need 5 or 6 digits sent on a daily basis, make accounts at 5,000 that work in parallel. This way, if one fails due to excess complaints, you have strong redundancy. If you see them falling like dominoes, then you have a stupid offer and you're annoying the public. Stop, rethink, ask for outside advice. Look, no matter how good a marketer you are for your clients, when you work on your own projects, you become subjective. It's human nature. It happens to me too. Bring someone in, tell them what you're trying to do, let them play with it until you get past your blind spot. In the next videos, we're going to discuss call centers, how to build one, how to program that nice robot that says press 1 for this, press 2 for that, how to train a sales team, and how to train a sales manager. Now, don't be an asshole. Give me a follow and have a nice day.